Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yunarti Kartika from class A. My student number is 22231800802, and I'm gonna present about my research proposal. What's inside my research proposal? The title Teaching Reading in English by Applying English for Kids application at first year C class of SDN 1 Pencongan. So in the first chapter, there is research background. English is an international language that learned by many countries, including Indonesia. People can learn English in a such young age. For example, from the elementary school kids. For example, in elementary school. Then, technology is getting bigger now, and people can take positive advantage of it, such as learning English from application, even from a fun game on a smartphone. My research questions are: first, how does English for Kids application help students in reading? My second question is, how do students perceive the implementation of English for Kids application to learn reading? My research objective is the study aims to examine how teachers apply English for Kids game application as well as feedback from students. This study is expected to get the result that will be useful for readers in terms of, first, as an input data for the English teachers about the using of English for Kids game in classroom for teaching reading, and to motivate students to increase their reading, especially for starter. It is hoped that this study will contribute or would be of any value to other students in conducting further research about similar topic, and directly the writer's knowledge can be developed by investigating this topic. In the next chapter, there is literature reviews. First, young learner means children from first year or formal school 5 or 6 years to 11 or 12 years age, by Halliwell, 1972. So the research can conclude that teaching English at early age is important because, as Harmer said, age is a major factor in taking a decision about how and what to teach. Harmer, 2007, 37. According to Brown, there are 5 categories may help give some practical approaches to teaching children: intellectual development, attention span, etc. Children are generally less able to give selective and prolonged attention to feeders of learning tasks than adults. So children tend to get distracted by other people, and children still want to play a lot. It is also hard for teachers to teach them. That causes teachers need to be more creative in teaching English for their students, especially reading in English. Gordon, 2007, there are some benefits that can be gained from integrating technology for teaching young learners. One of the example is using technology can motivate and make young learners produce positive attitude toward learnings. Technologies also allows the teacher to set up a meaningful context from communicative activities and engage learners in authentic and realistic experience that add excitement to the learning process. So teachers nowadays are able to take advantage from technology to teach their students better. In the chapter 3, there is research methodology. In this study, the writer will use pre-experimental research, namely one group pre-test post-test design that will be conducted upon one single studied group without a comparative group or control group. Pre-test and post-test will be carried out, and the result of both tests will be compared in order to know the students' fluency achievement in reading skill before and after giving the treatment. The participant in this research is the first grade students of SDN 1 Pencongan or any other elementary school that close to my home. If things don't go as I planned, so I need a plan B. The right sample of this research chosen using random sampling technique, And for the data analysis technique, I still need to figure it out. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.